Previous video I already explained you that if we have a central angle, which means that the vertex of the angle is at the center, so if the measurement of this is 120 degree, so the measurement of the intercepted arc will also be equal to 120 degree. Now another postulate I told you that if we have a inscribed angle means they are sharing a common vertex or the common end points at the center, then the intercepted arc will be the double of that angle. So for example, if this is 24, so it will be 48 degree. Now keeping these things in the mind, we will solve different kind of the questions. Find the measurement of angle BAC. Okay, so what is angle BAC? We know already, I think, and arc CB they are asking us. So measurement of angle BAC is already, we know, that is 74 degree. And the arc CB, this is the intercepted arc opposite to the central angle. So we can say that angle BAC is equal to arc CB or BC. So angle BAC is 74 degree and arc BC is 7x minus 3. Bring the negative 3 on the other side, becomes positive 3. So 74 plus 3 gives us 77 equals to 7x. Divide both sides by the 7 to find out the value of x. 7 and 7 cancel, so x equals to 11, because 77 divided by the 7 gives us 11. Now find out angle arc BC, right? Arc BC, you put it 7x minus 3. Replace the x by 11. 11 and minus 3. Write it in the calculator, you will get 74. Which means that you prove that they both are equal to each other. Next question, find the angle BAC and the arc BC. So what is BAC? So BAC is the central angle. So the intercepted arc opposite to that central angle, the arc will be equal to each other. So you can say that the angle or measurement of angle BAC is equal to arc BC or CB. What is BC? BAC angle, it is actually 7x minus 7 and the arc BC is 6x plus 13. Bring all the x on one side, yani 6x bring on the left hand side gives you negative 6x. All the numbers on one side, means the right hand side, negative 7 goes on the other side, gives you positive 7. Now 7x minus 6x gives us 1x or x. 13 plus 7 gives us 20. So the value of x is 20. But we have to find out the angle BAC. So which is 7x minus 7. 7 times 20 minus 7. It means 140 minus 7. It gives us 133 degree. Now try to find out arc BC, because arc BC has a value 6x plus 13. Replace the x by 20 plus 13. 6 times 20, it will be 120 plus 13, so it gives us 133 degrees. So they both are same and they both have the same results. It means your answer is correct. Next question, find the measurement of angle BAC and arc BC. So BAC is the central angle, so the intercepted arc is equal to the central angle. So first write down a general formula. Measurement of angle BAC is equal to the arc BC. So angle BAC is 6x minus 46 and BC is 4x plus 6. So what is the procedure? That bring all the x on one side means the left hand side, plus 4x goes on the other side, gives you negative 4x. Bring the negative 46 on the right hand side, gives you plus 46. 6x minus 4x gives us 2x, and 46 plus 6 will gives us 52. To find the value of x, we divide both sides by the 2. This cancels, so x equals to 26. Now put it in the angle VAC, which is equals to 6x minus 46. Replace the x by 26 and write in the calculator to get the answer. So you can write 6 times 26 minus 46. It will give us 110 degree. Now check the second one. That means the arc BC, which is equals to 4x plus 6. Replace the x by 26 and add with the 6. So write in the calculator 4 times 26 plus 6, and you will get again 110. Next question, find the measurement of angle DEF. So what is DEF? DEF, it is actually the inscribed angle. Now what is the formula of the inscribed angle? That angle DEF, the inscribed angle, is actually the half of the opposite arc. So half of arc DF. Once we set up the rule, so angle DEF, we know it is written as 18x, this one. This is angle DEF. It is actually equals to 18x, and it is equal to half of DF. That means half of 162. Write it down, 18x equals to half of 162 is 81. To find the value of x, divide both sides by 18. So 81 divided by 18, you will get 9 over 2 or 4.5. So x is equal to 4.5. Now to check your answer, what you have to do, angle DEF is equal to 18x. Replace x by 4.5 and check 18 times 4.5 gives you what? And yes, it gives me 81. So that is how I will find out. So if this is 162, we know that this is the half, that is 81, and yes, our rules work over here. So here is next question. So what is the first thing that find out that what kind of the angle is given? So angle DEF. So this is angle D, E and F. So of course it is the inscribed angle. So we know the postulate of inscribed angles, that angle DEF is the half of the opposite arc, that is DF, right? So what is DEF actually equals to? It is 66 minus 2x. Is the half of what is dx? Dx is 3x minus 1. Now look, if I will open it over here with the half, so it will gives me a complicated answer. So what I will do, I will get rid of this half by multiplying both sides by the 2. Okay, so if I multiply here by the 2, so this 2 and this 2 cancel. So I will open the bracket. 2 times 66 gives me 132 minus 2 times 2x gives me 4x equals to 3x minus 1. Bring the 3x on the other side, it gives me minus 3x. Bring the 32 on other side, gives me minus 132. Minus 4x minus 3x gives me minus 7x equals to minus 132 minus 1 gives me minus 133. If I divide both sides by the -7, because the number which is written with the x is -7, so I will get x equals to 19. Now I will see that whether does it work or not. So angle DEF equals to 66 minus 2x. Replace x by the 19. Write it in the calculator. Uh, Sorry, this is 66. Write it in the calculator. 66 minus 2 times 19. It gives us 28. So we know that if this is 28, then it has to be what? It has to be 56. But we will check, is it correct or wrong? So we know that arc FD, right? Arc FD is equals to 3x minus 1. Replace x by 19 and put it in the calculator. 3 times 19 minus 1 gives us, yes, 56. So all our working is appropriate and correct. Next question, find the measurement of DB. Arc DB is actually what? It is the opposite arc of the inscribed angle BCD. So first of all, write the rule that angle BCD is the half of DB. What is angle BCD? It is 49 is the half of what is DB? It is 14x plus 28. Now get rid of this 2 by multiplying both sides by the 2 because I don't like this 2. So 49 times 2 gives me 98. Okay, so 98 equals to 14x plus 28. Bring the 28 on the other side, gives you -28. So 98 minus 28 gives us 70 equals to 14x. The number written with the x is 14, so divide both sides by 14. So what do you get? So we will get 5. So x equals to 5. Let's try to check that if our answer is correct or wrong. So dB, right? Arc dB, it is equals to 14x plus 28. Replace x by 5 plus 28. Put it in the calculator. Calculator 14 times 5 plus 28 gives us 98, which is absolutely correct answer. Now here they are saying two circles with different radii have their centers. Explain why the measurement of EB is 40 degree. Okay, where is the measurement of E and B? Okay, so look at this. Here angle DAC, right? Angle DAC is 40 degree. Now we said that angle EAB is actually the vertical angle. That's why it has the same measurement. So remember that if you have the two angles which are the vertical angles, so they have the same measurement. So you can say that angle EAB is the vertical angle of angle DAC. That's why they are equal to each other. And if the angle EAB is the central angle, so the intercepted arc has the same measurement, that is 40 degree. A circular garden is divided into three sections. Angle BCD is 21 degree. So this angle is BCD is 21 degree. The measurement of BC and DC are equal. So the measurement of BC and DC, they are equal. What is the measurement of each arc? So look at this. The BCD, this is the inscribed angle. So it means if it is 21, so the intercepted arc of this inscribed angle will be 42, means the double of the angle. So now whole angle is how much? What is the total degree? Total degree is 360 degree. So what we will do, we will divide 360 minus 42. So 360 minus 42 will gives us 318 degree. Means if this is the pizza, if I take out this part, right? If I take out this part which is 42 degree, so how many degrees left? The degrees are 380. Now this part and this part, they are equal to each other. It means divide both sides, yani 318 divided by the 2, you will get 159 degree for each arc. So you can say that the arc BC is 159 and arc CD is also 159 because the arc of BD is 42 degree. Now circular frame has the two wooden sticks and you can see that this is the inscribed angle with both sticks sharing a common end point on the frame. So let's suppose this is A and this is B. And here C. C is the common point which both the chords they are sharing. Okay, the sticks form an inscribed angle, measure 58. What is the measure of the intercepted arc? Means the arc AB. If it is the inscribed angle, so this is the double of 58, which means it is the 58 times 2, right? So it is 58 times 2 will gives us 116. So this is our answer. I hope that the whole lesson is already clear to you. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.